let's talk about, because if I'm a host right now, I'm in the UK, I'm thinking fantastic, I want to get on Peerspace, they go to the link, they register. Where are you focusing right now? Because it's not like you've got the manpower to just go everywhere. Where's the focus right now, and where are you then going to look to expand to, as in geographically speaking?
Yeah, so we just last week officially announced that we are now live in the market of London. So obviously we're thinking about adding supply there every day. We've already have over 200 different spaces in the platform there. I would say very shortly after, our team will incorporate other areas of the UK. As you can imagine, there's plenty of other cities. Though we will accept a host who wants to list their space from anywhere in the UK. And we are striving to increase the operations side to be able to provide that white glove onboarding experience that you were mentioning to any host that is wanting to list their space in the UK. But you can imagine Manchester is a target for us, Leeds, Liverpool, Edinburgh, etc. So yeah, I would say just, if you're interested in listing, don't hesitate to get started, sign up. You can even send an email to us at help@peerspace.com and let us know that you're a host that is trying to get going in the UK, and we'll be happy to figure out how to help you.
And what about Europe? So we talked about UK. What about the rest of Europe? What is the plan? Obviously, like I said, you can't do it all at once. Have you got a roadmap for Europe yet? Because we do have a lot of hosts in Europe that have got amazing properties in France and Spain, etc. What's the sort of the next steps we're talking here?
You should expect Europe to be coming on. We have been spending quite a bit of time on all of the prep work that's required to operate our business in many different countries across the world. All the countries within Europe are part of that. And so, in 2022, and potentially before then, we will start bringing on supply in those markets as well. And, it's really important to us as well that when Peerspace is available in a market like Spain, we're able to work with Spanish guests as well as Spanish hosts. So we're not going to be that American company that comes in with an English-only site that is trying to make something work that just doesn't feel right. It doesn't feel authentic. So that's one area that we're spending some additional care and attention to detail on. But yes, I would say keep your eyes peeled. Please check in with us. You can email help@peerspace.com anytime you have a question around timelines, and we'll be happy to keep you in the loop.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Bruce Lee podcast. Bruce Lee like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.